me a call. Then throughout the evening, I was restless. Even though I used
ngai khublai phi iwei prolog janga khamtam ki subscriber ki like ki share ki view ki jong phi baro hakane ka video phila ban sakhi ba kashki kakhi hi hapor bakren I Dr. Celestine ibadai MLA jong ka umsning te phila ban sakhi ba kadon ka ei khadaw ya kane kashki namar ba amdon mano basyong hakane kashki ndrei phila ban pej benia kadai ka jingbe jongkal erlane dei nakano kadaw ba kane kashki kakhi ya kane ka video amdei ba shu edit ndrei ila ban ngila download napo ka Meghalaya Legislative te kane kadai ka jing shisha hato kadon ka ei ka ba kum kadak ba yaki MLA jong ka Meghalaya jongi ba habaki ai jingkren lane ki kam jong ki baki trei man lakasi halor ka jingyap jong Dr. Ricky kila ban pau bon kidak bat pila ban page ya ki komen ki ba komen ki don hala ki jong ki jing komen bat hala ki jing sngau haman la ki video ki ba la pelaj ya kane kashki bat kidon ru ki balak keren hapo YouTube ba kadon ka ka ba kampla bat namar bunsin ki perlok MLA bat ki perlok ki ba dei na ki wei ki parti ha kapor by Dr. Ricky idang don hakane kasla perthei ila imjukren ya kine ki kentin ban imjupla hiru ba I Dr. Ricky long iba ibriu iba bha iba tibriu tiblei bat iba ikyo blei iba syakri yo blei bat iba trei hok hendrei enda mai ila klat no na kene ka perthei kilas dang ya ai ka jingyaro ban wat usi CM ka Meghalaya Deputy CM bat kiwei ki MLA ru ki ai ka jingyaro ba udai ubriu uba bej ka jingmud jing perkat bat uba trei hok ya kakam hendrei ha kapor ba udang sa hakane ka perthei kim jupan pau ya kata yo lese ki syak khnyot lane ki pajba kim don jisania shu ya kine ki MLA lane kine ki menteri sarkar jong ka jala jongi te ngaru ngakwa ban pan pawa khmat jong phi ba hoi ni ai jingyaro tang enda u Dr. Ricky ula lejno nakane kasla perthei te kadon jing mentoi ayu ban ladaki snuthu kumta balai nadu menshwa hakapor ba I Dr. Ricky idang sa hakane kasla perthei balai kim ai ka jing ya treilang ban le ya kano khnang ba ka jala jongi kanang kiu bat kanwanra ya kata kasuk kasain hendrei don bun na ki weipat ki politikar parti ki ba kwa ban penpaj penpra tang na kamenta kabit kabiang ya lade ngam syam la kentho yano hendrei ngakren kelum ya baro ki MLA lane ki MDC lane kino yalam jong ki parti ba pher hapo gajla Meghalaya te ngakentu ya phi iwei pajba nang nei sakmat sngau bha haba phijet ya ki MLA lane ki MDC na ki constituency ba pher to nginda aingu yo blei bat ngin pan ka bor na ubana jrong ba yano ngin jet bat ngin pej ya ubriu uba idon kata kamen kaba perkhatlang yu pajlang ya uduk usuk kurang li ujuki hendrei nginom ya bit tang ya karong pong shisngi ngila ban ong no ba. Don ki ba ai ki kam khawai, don ki ba ai ki boss ban lake picnic, don ki ba ai kapisa kumno ban pinya disha pinya bamja ban pensngau phai pi tang ha kapor election ndrei ndala dep election pat kalakut no bat kim itu hero yangi kirit kiria watang ban yakren ru kim don por namar kajing sngau kajong ki kalong ba ngim dei ta kisakri ndrei ngidei kum kita la man ong no kum ki high level te kane ka video kajonga ngam syam la kan tho yano lada yolese kalek dei yano ka kan tho personal yano sngau bha map yanga bat nga kerpat ru ya phi iwei pa ba iba petia kane ka video jonga sngau bha sa share lem sha ki wei parlok ki jong phi te tangkum ta khublei sibun khublei si hajar ngu ngin se kendu pat ha ka wei pat ka video.
Speaker, sir, I also rise to associate myself along with the Leader of the House, Leader of the Opposition, and all the honorable members in expressing our grief and sending our deepest condolences to the family members of our beloved late Dr. Ricky A.J. Sengkon, who is still our MP till date. Last night, when I received the news, it was not yet confirmed at the time, of course, but Charles Marangara gave me a call. Then throughout the evening, I was restless. Even though I used to be a very early sleeper, the moment I go to bed, in 5 minutes I fall asleep. But yesterday, till 12 o'clock, midnight, I could not sleep. I took out my mobile, go to YouTube, type Dr. Ricky Sengkon. The first thing that came is his sermon. I don't know the village, but it is district, Jingaseng district of Maulik district. And the topic of his sermon was also taken from the letter of Paul to the Philippi, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not very well versed and remember much about the gospel, but he said, from that reading in the gospel, for me to live is Christ and to die is victory. Something like that reading which he took. While listening to that, looking at the way he delivered his sermon, who will believe that he is no more with us? Even this morning, I was feeling very heavy, and I know everyone, every member of this house, all the people are feeling sad. We feel like a thick black cloud is covering us. We feel so sad to talk. But when we look at the life of Dr. Ricky Sengkon, in a way, I feel we should not feel that sad. Rather, we should celebrate the achievements academically that he has done, the example that he sets in public life. These are all to be celebrated. In 2023, sir, when we all went for the result day, assembly election result day, I was sitting just adjacent to Dr. Ricky Sengkon, along with the others. And you know, the atmosphere in the counting hall is so heavy. Dr. Ricky Sengkon tapped my shoulder and said, "Doctor, lada job u Dr. Kot ne job u Dr. Briuru ngi dei ban tresitom. I'll translate that in English. He told me, if Dr. Kot means him, or Dr. Briu means Dr. Seelingdo, if anyone wins, we should work hard for the benefit of the people. I remember that words. So today when I came to the assembly, when I send the messages to friends that the assembly will continue as usual timing, a tear came to my eye. And there are 2-3 occasions where we went for programs together. In one occasion, in that program, as usual, we used to be given stalls. But in that program, the organizers were using the Ohomia Gamosha. So when that felicitation part was over, Dr. Sinkon was telling me, Doctor, we should stop all this. Either they give us rindia, local made stalls, or don't give us anything. I don't like to use an item which is made from a different state, which is not belonging to our tradition. So here I realized a person who really is concerned about our own roots, our own values, and the items and articles that we use should be ours. So he also encouraged me, every function that you go, you should tell this. We should tell our people, let us felicitate with the things of our own tradition, or we don't do it if we cannot do it. So on this sad day, I stand here not only on my own behalf, I also speak on behalf of the people of my constituency. There are multitudes of people in my own constituency who love, voted, and still cherish the leadership of late Dr. Ricky Sinkon. Once again, I convey my heartfelt condolences to the family, for myself and on behalf of my people. Thank you, sir.
Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh.